Welcome. This week you have class exam 1 in Excel. I'm going to teach you how to access the exam and then complete it and submit it. This test is available on SimNet, so you will have to log into your SimNet. On the home page, you're going to find class exam 1 Excel exercise 1, class exam 1 Excel exercise 2. There are two exercises. It will be available to you only on the due dates. So, for example, this exam is due March 12th and 13th. So, it will be available only on March 12th. You may not see them now. The class home will be empty or blank. So, do not panic. It'll be available or it will appear to you on the day of your due dates when the exam will be available. Okay. So, the way that you access your exam is you sign into your SimNet. Make sure you are in the correct class. If you're not in the correct class, make sure you go back and select your correct class on the other side, select another class, and then you will be able to access the exam. So click on class exam 1. It's available for you to complete it. It's not timed. You also have 2 attempts to complete these 2 exercises. Okay, I'll just explain what that is. Click on exam exercise 1. And if you are using a Mac or a Windows, you will be able to choose this option. So having any kind of computer should not restrict you from completing your exercise. Okay, so select whichever computer you're using. So the exercise is given here for you. All the tasks are to be completed. For that, you will need a file. So you will have to download the file right here. If you click on that file, it automatically downloads with your name on it. So try not to access somebody else's file. Your name will be appearing on the file when you download it. This is the file on which you will have to complete all your exercises. Okay, so you will have to complete all these exercises right here. All the instructions given here has to be completed on your Excel file, which is this one. Okay. So after completing the instructions that you have, the file will look something like this. So all you have to do is go up and upload that file. For example, click on this and I'm going to go download the file. I haven't done anything, so I might get a 0, but you have to complete all the instructions and then get it and then submit for grading. So it automatically grades your answers and what the exercise you have completed, and it gives you. Obviously, I haven't done anything. I just uploaded the downloaded plain empty file, so it gave me a 0. It also tells me all the errors I have made in red. If you see that in green or a check mark, that means you have done it correctly. You will get the points. But if you made a mistake, if you're partially correct, it will tell you here. See here, all mine is in red because all my tasks are wrong. Okay, it also tells you what you have to complete, and then you could go back and correct your errors and go back and resubmit it. See, there are 2 attempts given for each thing, so you will be able to go back and re-upload your file after doing corrections. My objective is to make sure all of you get maximum points, but you will have to do it yourself. Okay, so follow the instructions and then you will be able to do that and submit it before the due date. See, the due date is given here, the time is given. Any submissions after that will not be accepted by SimNet. You will get a 0. Okay, so make sure after you complete exercise 1, you could go back and do the same with exercise 2. Click on that. Again, you have a file you need to download. And then if there are other files like an image file that is needed, you can download them all here. And then you have to, again, select your computer, whether you're on a Mac or on a Windows. And then using the downloaded file, go ahead and complete all the tasks. Okay, and then again, after completing these tasks on the downloaded file, upload it here. And then you'll be able to submit it for grading. Of course, there are 2 attempts if you see previous attempts. So each file has 2 attempts for you. So you could go back and correct the errors that you're making and resubmit it for better grades. All right, everybody. So good luck on this class exam 1 in Excel. You will have to complete this. After you have submitted, it will say submitted and it may vanish from your class home because you already completed it. Don't worry, if you have submitted it, you can go back and check your grade book for your grades. But the file will be submitted to me, where I will be importing your grades and to be posted on your Blackboard. All right, everybody. So good luck on your exam. Please finish it by the due date that is mentioned here for Excel. Good luck, everybody.